So right now I'm looking for a entry. My overall bias is was bullish, but as you can see, the market is showing quite bearish movement within the London Open. So just waiting for a confirmation. As you can see, this liquidity has been set. So as soon as we close below this fair value gap, I'll be looking to enter the trade. So I'm monitoring now multi-time frame as well as I am also observing the volume footprint. So right now, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, and 1 minute time frame are open. As you can see, it has closed perfectly below that. So I'll be looking for an entry. Because I have entered the trade, and overall, my stop loss will be somewhere around this above this fair value gap. So I'll do a quick run through after I finished taking this trade, as I've already entered the trade. Short position I have entered in 14422. So let's go to the 14422, 14422. Yes, so this is the price point in which I have entered the trade. Okay, so my stop loss will be above this high, and then to target. Yes, this will be the first take profit for me. Mm, so it's very tight stop loss. Stop loss around 14472. Okay. So just doing a live example of the trade right now. Let's do this one in the 5 minutes. So overall, I'll do a quick run through after the this trade ends. Current this low, so this low most probably I'll my stop loss will be at break even. The the only thing that I am not feeling quite right is the 1 hour time frame has not created a bottom wick till now. If you can see here, there is no bottom wick, stop wick. Okay, so that's only the priority for now. Like around 90 to 92 candles, 92% candles do come up to make a bottom wick, but this 4 hour candle, while it was closing, it didn't show a much displacement. So yes, let's see how the market turns out. So it's looking quite bearish. If it cleared this low, we can see a slight adjustment to the drawn liquidity of 1 hour time frame. Yes, let's see. So let's go into the 10 minutes, 15 minutes. This is the current draw as of now. As you can see, the market is playing out quite comfortably. Mm, mm. I'll put my stop loss to break even at this point. So previously, while this trade is running, I'll just explain yesterday's trade what had happened. So if I go back, no, not even the time. Trade. Let's go to the 5 year time frame. Yesterday, I had explained this trade. Yes, that's good. Yes. So yesterday, the video which I had posted after I explained the trade that my model, the model which I had using, not model, like the overall bias. So if you can see, the overall bias was bearish, and just the entry was a bit oddly, and the market stopped me out, and eventually it came down a lot. So if I want to the 30 minute time frame or 15 minute. As you can see, this was my initial draw on liquidity, like not initial, as you can say, like higher time frame draw. So, but this this market sweep that happened in terms of, so I was expecting little bullish movement. Overall, there was also news factor which was playing in the market, and today there is so many news, so it's a bit sketchy. Like as you can see, there are multiple Euro news as I'm trading right now. Today overall CPI prelims, and also right like every like 20 to 15 30 minutes there are some Euro news. There is also a employment cost index at 6 p.m. Unemployment claims also is there at 6 p.m. That should not bother us to that extent, which I'm thinking. So yesterday, as you can see, played out, but the mistake I don't know why they made any mistake, but like while here, as you can see, like 2:30, I try to end my trading session early. Okay, so here could have been an opportunity if I didn't take this trade, but I was too focused on the volume index, so volume movement chart. So it messed up because this, as you can see, it is 415. So this is the sweep within this. It was something 15-minute fair value gap. This one. So after the CISD in the higher time frame and as well as the lower time frame, I could have taken the trade here and I could just left some runner running like runners open. So yes, this was yesterday's trade that fell a lot. You can see. So yes, that's it for the explanation of yesterday's trade. Now I'll cancel. Now today's trade is it has gone back to loss. Like let's see what happens. It didn't get there. So as far as I can tell, at the time I have no mixed emotion like previously I used to have, because once I have fixed on a simple model, I just like I'm just focusing on trying to get a better entry or trying to like after the trade has ended, like where do I uh, like exit plan sort of like the model itself is it has a like what to say like a entry plan, but there is no exit plan. Okay, so that's it. Now 1 hour candle is making a quite 1 hour candle. No, this is the 5 minute candle. Okay, so going to the 1 hour time frame. There is no bottom wick, but if it goes to that level, I'm going to get stopped out easily. This 5 minute candle has been made a bottom wick. So yes, I will continue the video after the trade has ended, and I'll do a quick explanation on the my thought process or bias of today. Today is 31st July, and I've taken the trade on my funded next account. So yes, I'll stop the trade. So I have put my stop loss to break even. I'll just show here. So this liquidity got swept right now, as you can see. But the market, like if it wants, the market can just now reverse and stop me out. Because if this is the any like overall draw for this period, so it can just reverse. But my initial target was here, but now as you can see, the market is reacting quite violently. But I've put my stop loss to break even. Now let's see what happens. Now this candle, if it closes somewhat bullish, then we might have a problem, but there is no problem because I put my stop loss to break even. So yes, just observing as of now. 5 minutes also, I think so. It is going to stop me out because yes, I think so. It is going to stop me out. So this felt like a good trade because overall, once the risk part of the trade is gone, like I don't think so there is a problem, because at the end of the day I'm risking my money to make money. So once my money part risk is gone, so there is no problem. Okay, so yes, 1 hour candle is going to close in above 12 minutes. Let's see what happens. 5 minutes is showing sort of bullish order flow. We just need to hold it together. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute is also pretty. This candle showing it was showing a pretty bullish order flow. So let's see what happens. This is my overall target for this session because we've seen which is the Asian's high. Okay, so Asian high is quite below. So we have not yet manipulated the Asian high. Okay, so I think so that will be the overall drop for this London, see London, or the first hour of London. So yes, I'm going to stop. I have not got stop till now. So I think the factor, I'm just subtracting the factor of making money or making percentage in this funded account. Just trying to become a better trader and like focus on this model to become like more experienced in this art. So yes, I'll close this. I think so I'm going to get stopped out. Yes, I got stopped out. Okay. So this was a break-even trade for me after like 7 or 8 losses. So yes, let's do a quick rundown to the trade. So 4 hour, this there was a fair value gap here, which as you can see the market was uh, is rejecting as of now. So 4 hour has yet to be closed in like 1 hour 10 minutes. So going on to the day, I had a quite bearish bias, overall bearish bias, but the market started showing bullish order flow. As you can see, overall I had a bearish bias as I was thinking the market can come up to uh, discount and initially take a sell off. As you can see, after this part, when the market gave an engulfing candle or it is showing bearish order flow, then I become my bearish bias was confirmed for the first 2 hours of London session. Okay, so now after that, I marked out this 30-minute fair value gap, which had become my point of interest. Then I was looking for a initial move. As you can see, first move which happened was the CISD. This move I was waiting for. So after the change in the state, then pull back to the change in the state, and I took a trade somewhere around here in the lower time frame in 30 seconds. So it did an internal sweep as well. So overall, this was quite a good trade for me as continuously I've been taking losses for a while now. So yes, that's it for this video. Overall, I'll whatever trade I take, I'll try to make a video every day. So whatever trade I'm taking, each trade I'll make a video and upload it. So I'm not uploading this video for views and anything, just for me to watch after like Saturday, Sunday. Well, I'll watch and see if I what mistakes I made. So this was a live trade. So yes, I got stopped out at break even. So 0.40 cents was the commission. So that's it for this video.